Good morning, Gators. Welcome back. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. The weather outside has finally warmed up again, which means we can go back outside. And ODR is back on again. Congratulations to our Tier 1 teams in doing so well in our tournaments on the weekend. Thank you to the classes who submitted their pages read. We will update you on the progress next week. Important announcement from the GSA. There will be a big sale this Thursday. Bring your quarters. Now we have an update from the music wing.
Good morning, Golden Gate. My name is Jessica.
I'm Brielle.
And I'm Tyler.
And we're here to talk about the music wing.
The 3 concert bands are grade 6 concert band, grade 7 concert band, and grade 8 concert band. And if you also are in grade 8 band, you have the opportunity to go to the International Peace Gardens. At the International Peace Gardens, you can do fun activities with your instrument and learn some more activities that are fun.
At Golden Gate, we offer 2 jazz bands. We have grade 7 jazz band and grade 8 jazz band. These bands rehearse twice a cycle at 8 a.m. Jazz bands play higher energy music such as rock and Latin pieces.
I'm going to be talking about choir. In concert choir, it's really fun. We get 2 pullouts a cycle to just go with Miss Crisp and have fun singing. We also go to 2 festivals, I believe, and one of them is called Choral Fest in November, and we already did that one, so yeah. In vocal jazz, it's an audition choir, so you have to audition to get in. So it's a much smaller choir, but it's still really fun to just hang out with people and just have good times and laugh.
To end the episode, we have some grade 8 students to come tell us about the heart dissection.
So last week, the grade 8s got to do something really cool. So we got to dissect a heart. And it was really cool because instead of Miss Kell telling us about the heart or us reading off something or look at a piece of paper, instead we actually got to see a real heart and we got to dig inside of it and see what's inside of the heart, and it was really cool to actually see what in person. And it was really cool because apparently a pig's heart is almost identical to a human's heart, and so we were basically just looking at what an actual human heart would look like without actually using a human's heart. So I thought it was really, really cool.
Good morning, Gators. I hope you all had a wonderful week. The winter is... I forgot what I was supposed to. Good morning, Gators. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. The weather outside has finally warmed up. Congratulations to the Tier 1 and 2...